Trust. This is my 77924. I don't know what that warning light is there. Next to the oil. No idea. It starts pretty much first time, but let's see, that's alright, but let's see, it just doesn't want to go beyond that. It's also running really rich, so let's have a look and see what the exhaust is like. Not too bad today. I don't know if I need to change the injectors or what I need to do. But you can see there's that hesitancy. You put your foot down